I just found out that you can make money by creating and selling ebooks on Google, not Amazon, but Google. Quinn made $2,650 in one day after 2 months of starting this business as a complete beginner. In this video, I'm going to break down her exact process so you can make unlimited passive income this way too. I seriously wish I had known this sooner, but it's never too late. And by the way, you can do this from pretty much anywhere with zero investment and zero skills. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Register on the Google Books Partner Program. First, open your browser and type the Google Play Books Partner Center into the search bar. Click on the first official link, or whichever one looks like this once you click on it. Now, before we go further, here's why we're using Google Books. Unlike Amazon Kindle, which has some restrictive policies and a complicated category system, Google Books taps into a massive market. Over 3 billion people in over 75 countries. Plus, it's integrated into Google's ecosystem, which means your book can get better visibility without you having to put a lot of effort or marketing in. Once you're on the Partner Center page, look for the Get Started button. It's usually in the top right. Click that, and it'll take you to a registration form. You can join with your associated Google account. Check the box for the relevant publisher type, which will be a self-published author in our case. Then, type in the publisher name, which can just be your name. Select your country, put in any relevant website. Then, type in your phone number. Once that's done, you'll need to set up your payment profile. Now, this is important because it's how Google pays you. You'll be prompted to link a bank account and provide tax details. Google's gonna ask for basic info like your name, address, and tax ID if you're in the US, or a similar identification number if you're international. Follow the steps. It's straightforward, but double check for typos. Once this is complete, congrats. You've officially joined the Google Play Books Partner Program. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche. Now, it's time to choose a topic for your book. Here's the thing, we're not writing a novel. The goal here is to focus on practical, niche topics that people are actively searching for. Open a new tab and go to the Google Trends. Type in a keyword like productivity hacks or easy recipes. Look at the interest graph. If it shows a consistent upward trend, that's your winner. If it's flat or declining, move on to another keyword. Let's say you've landed on minimalist living. Click around in Google Trends to see related queries. I'm noticing a lot of minimalist lifestyles, minimalist art and decor, and minimalist living in general coming up. I think this is a great little niche that has a strong audience that's not too big nor too small. Step 3. Create the ebook using AI. Next, let's create the actual content. Don't worry, you're not writing this from scratch. We're going to use AI for this. Open a new tab and go to ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's free for basic use, but you might want to get the $20 Pro version for the best, longest, and quickest writing. Once you're in, here's the exact prompt you're going to use. Write a 10-chapter ebook on minimalist living. Each chapter should be around 1,000 words and include actionable tips, examples, and practical advice. Hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing. While the AI generates your book, don't just sit back. Read through what it's writing. Look out for repetitive phrases or anything that doesn't make sense. The great thing is, you can pause the generation and edit the prompt if you need to. For example, if the tips feel too generic, tweak the prompt to say, focus on specific strategies for decluttering toys, managing family schedules, and saving money. Step 4. Refine the ebook. Once the text is done, copy and paste it into Google Docs. This is where we're going to refine it. Start by reading through each line and asking yourself, does this make sense? Does it add value? Use tools like Grammarly to fix grammar issues. You can just download the Grammarly extension, which will highlight words that are spelled incorrectly, or that could be phrased better. You can also use Hemingway Editor to simplify overly complicated sentences. Just paste in your text here, and Hemingway will point out if you're using overly complicated sentences or text that's difficult for a reader to follow along with. Think of this stage as polishing a rough diamond. The more effort you put in here, the more professional your final product will look. Step 5. Design the ebook. Now let's talk about design. You need a cover that grabs attention. Open a new tab and go to the Canva. Create a free account if you don't already have one. In the search bar, type ebook cover. Canva has tons of templates to choose from. Pick one that fits your topic. If your book is about minimalism, go for something clean and simple. Replace the placeholder text with your book's title and subtitle. Use large, bold fonts for the title, and keep the subtitle smaller but readable. Add your name as the author, and maybe a sweet and short tagline, like a simple steps for a clutter-free life. Download your cover as a high-quality PNG or JPG file. Now, we need to format the book. Go back to Google Docs and export your edited text as a PDF. Google Play Books also accepts EPUB files, which are better for e-readers. To convert your PDF to EPUB, you can use a free tool like Zamzar, or you can hire someone to do the formatting for you on Fiverr. Once you've put your cover and your ebook contents together into one file, it's time to upload. Step 6. Publish on Google Books. Head back to the Google Play Books Partner Center. Click on Add a New Book. You'll see an option to enter an ISBN. If you don't have one, no worries. Google will assign one for you. Upload your EPUB or PDF file, then click Next. This takes you to the metadata section. Here, you'll enter your book's title, author name, and description. Be descriptive but concise. Your description should tell potential readers exactly what they'll gain from your book. For my example, I might say, some of the best practical tips to declutter your home, save money, and live a stress-free life with your family. Then, set your price. Here's a tip. Start low, at around $3 to attract readers. Once your book gets some traction, you can increase the price. Google also lets you set discounts and run promotions. Use this feature to boost sales during launch week. Think about offering the book for free for the first few days to get reviews and ratings. After your book is live, the real work begins. Promotion. Share your book on all your social media platforms. Use hashtags like Chuiao Minimalism and Dawao eBook to reach your audience. If you have a blog or YouTube channel, make content that ties into your book's topic and include links to your book in the description. Another clever trick is to join Facebook groups related to your niche. Share useful tips and casually mention your book in the comments when relevant. Just don't spam. Here's everything we covered in this video. Register on the Google Play Books Partner Center and set up your payment profile. Use Google Trends to find a profitable niche. Generate your book with AI tools like ChatGPT. Refine the content with Grammarly and Hemingway Editor. Design a professional cover using Canva. Format your book as a PDF or EPUB with tools like Zamzar. Upload your book to Google Play, optimize metadata, and set your price. Promote your book through social media and niche groups. Which topic are you thinking of for your ebook? Have you tried creating an ebook before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.